Good morning, guys. My name is Daniel, the boss e-temper guy. So a lot of people asking about my DIY for the digital scale on the platform. So the idea is like I have the scale, so then I can put my cup on the platform, and then what you need to do is just bring this cable longer. Obviously you have to cut it, you use solders, and then put the load cell in this platform. I will explain a bit more. So what you need to do is just like, obviously you purchase this kind of scale. I got this from Amazon. I choose the one with the 1000 grams because, you know, some cups alone is only already 300. So I like to use the 1000 grams mold type. And then what you do is basically take this platform out. This is the 2 screws. So when you take this screw out, then you can pull this. And basically there are some cable, like there are 4 cables, and you just need to extend to the length you need. So I write this cable, so then can be like one kind of things. You can use any cable basically, but I suggest you use a very flexible one. So this is a silicone cables, like very tiny, I think like about 32 gauge, so it's like tiny cables. And then when you extend those cable, you now pretty much move these screw holes into the platform. See this? You see the pattern is the same. This screw hole basically goes to here, and so I soldered those wire basically, and then I put zip ties just to make it organized a bit. I like to give some slack here, so then at least if there is water, those water is not seeping up to the load cell. So this grill I designed, and I ordered this on the fabrications. They have a laser cutters bending CNC, and then basically I can create my own version of grill and have this bending design for me to put the load cell. And then I have this feet that's supposed to touch the bottom, the ground floor, so then the load cell can, you know, instead like the load cell, you know, flexing like this, then you do not read anything. So this ground floor has to be rigid, which is basically touching this. But I make a design that too short, so I end up just use this, and then this guy now touching, basically using the cover. So I have this opening a bit on the corner, so then I can just slip the wire carefully because it's kind of sharp, and then I put it on the, you know, corner left. Right, so there you go. So I like this scale because this scale has the timer, so when I saw the drip coming out, I just press this timer, and then, you know, it's really nice because, like, again, it's clean. Instead like I have to put it in and out. With this I can just drip water on top without worrying much about killing the load cell, because again the load cell is basically underneath there and pretty secure. I'm not testing much, but so far I don't have any problems. So now how I put this on the machine. So this is a Bezra Matrix MN. So they have this LED panel, which I like. It's kind of like cool. So just regular way, you just slip it in. There is some gap there that I used to hide the cable. So I loop around underneath here, kind of again carefully, try not to scratch. I mean, there you go. So, and then I put this somewhere under the, yeah, something like this. So with this, I can have a really nice, clean, you know, like a clean platform scale. Cheers.